The compact Forester SUV is all new for 2025, and it's a dramatic update, at least on paper. This is the two-row, five-passenger Forester's sixth generation, and it offers more passenger space and a quieter ride than the previous model. While its looks have been modernized, it's still recognizable as a Forester, continuing the well-known formula that has made it a long-term success. Every Forester comes with a flat-4 engine, all-wheel drive, a continuously variable transmission, and enough extra ground clearance to comfortably handle moderate off-road treks. And like its many competitors, the Forester's tidy size makes it both garageable and easier to stuff into crowded urban parking spaces than larger three-row SUVs like Subaru's own Nascent. While meaningfully improved in many categories, the 2025 Forester hasn't been granted the one enhancement we value most: driving enjoyment. Before moving forward, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Design. The all-new 2025 Subaru Forester boasts a comprehensive design overhaul, blending a sleek, contemporary aesthetic with the rugged functionality that's synonymous with the Forester name. Striking first impression. The front end commands attention with a bold new grille design. It merges seamlessly into the compact LED headlights, creating a unified and powerful shield-like effect. This look is further accentuated by the updated Subaru Star Cluster emblem positioned prominently at the center. Rugged refinement. The Forester's signature ruggedness is subtly woven into the design. Bold shoulder lines running along the body emphasize height and strength, while the prominent wheel arches hint at its off-road capability. However, these features are balanced by the sleek lines and contemporary styling, resulting in a look that's both refined and adventurous. Standard all-weather capability. Function follows form with the 2025 Forester. All models come equipped with standard front, side, and rear undergirds with a color finish that varies according to the chosen trim level. This underlines the Forester's readiness to tackle any terrain, whether it's a sandy beach or a snowy mountain road. What's new for 2025? The Forester enters 2025 with a fresh exterior design and a moderately updated chassis. It still offers all-wheel drive as standard, and its powertrain is virtually the same as the one employed by the outgoing Forester, although a hybrid will be added to the lineup later on. There's a new electric power steering rack on board, which Subaru says shares components with the feisty AutoAuras performance sedan. And a new foot-activated hands-free power tailgate joins the options list. The new Forester goes on sale in spring 2024. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Subaru Forester starts at $31,090 and goes up to $41,390 depending on the trim and options. The Forester has a sweet host of standard features, including remote keyless entry, LED headlights, and welcome lighting, which casts a beam of light on the exterior front door handles at night. We recommend the Sport trim level because it's a good mix of equipment, appearance, and price within the Forester lineup. The Forester Sport gets attractive bronze trim and exclusive wheels, including some additional creature comforts, such as heated front seats and a good-sized 11.6-inch infotainment touchscreen. Interestingly, Subaru says the current 2024 Forester Wilderness will continue alongside the new 2025 Forester models until an unnamed future date. We expect the Wilderness trim to move to the new model in 2026. Price for the 2024 Forester Wilderness remains unchanged at $36,265. Engine, transmission, and performance. Under the hood is a 2.5-liter flat-4 engine, a continuously variable transmission, and all-wheel drive. Output is a meek 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. Subaru says a hybrid powertrain is coming next year. Although the Forester uses a dual-pinion electronic power steering rack similar to what Subaru installs in the WRX Sport sedan, the SUV isn't nearly as fun to drive. Steering feedback is minimal, and the suspension is tuned for comfort above all else. Pitch the Forester into a corner at speed and you'll feel a little wiggle in the rear end, which can feel unnerving in that second before it settles in. 0 to 60 mph times. At our test track, the Forester Sport we sampled dragged itself to 60 miles per hour in 8.3 seconds, its flat-4 engine groaning along the way. Around town, acceleration feels more than adequate though, and under light throttle, the engine's gruff demeanor isn't as noticeable. Fuel economy and real-world MPG EPA fuel economy estimates for the 2025 Forester land at 26 mpg city and 33 mpg highway, with the exception of the Sport and Touring trims, which give up 1 mpg in each measure. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route, the Sport trim we tested managed 31 mpg. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The two-row Forester is a politely comfortable affair. Starting with mid-level trims on up, its interior offers a good mix of materials, including a leather-wrapped gear selector and heated and ventilated front seats. A spacious back seat offers plenty of head, hip, and legroom for adults, while the rear cargo space, even while that second row is in use, is spacious. The rear seats split 60/40ths, and when folded flat, open up 75 cubic feet of cargo space. Subaru claims the new generation Forester has more sound dampening than before, which should result in a quieter cabin. Infotainment and connectivity. Inside, a large 11.6-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard on all but base models. The system comes standard with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capability. The system also includes a wireless smartphone charging pad. The base model gets a dual 7.0-inch display similar to what was on the previous generation Forester, which incorporates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Safety and driver assistance features. All models come standard with Subaru's EyeSight suite of camera-based driver assistance features. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. The Forester's warranty is basic, and buyers will be paying out of pocket for maintenance visits. Rivals such as the Sportage and the Hyundai Tucson, both of which offer a 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, and the RAV4, which offers 2 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance. All provide more value here than the Subaru. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. The 2024 Subaru Solterra gives you a new way to explore our world. It features an advanced all-electric, zero-emission star-drive electric powertrain and uses the Subaru Global Platform. Plus, Solterra is the first A-to-D electric vehicle to feature our legendary standard symmetrical all-wheel drive. It's also our most advanced SUV ever, featuring a charge time reduced by about half and improved cold weather charging for 2024. Their state-of-the-art technology, like a stunning available 12.3-inch touchscreen and a standard driver-focused distraction mitigation system, along with the segment-leading capability of 8.3 inches of ground clearance. Before moving forward, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. The Solterra is our first zero-emission all-electric SUV. The Solterra lets you explore the outdoors and help protect it at the same time. The advanced Star Drive electric powertrain means no tailpipe emissions and no need for gasoline or oil changes, so every mile has significantly less impact on the environment. The Solterra is the latest example of our commitment to safeguarding the natural world we all share through sustainable transportation, and it's just the beginning. Improved DC fast charging. The 2024 Solterra can fast charge in about half the time as the the previous model, now taking about 35 minutes to charge from 10% to 80% using its built-in fast charge capability. The Star Drive powertrain gives Solterra an EPA estimated range of up to 227 miles with standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, as well as a variety of options for fast and convenient charging, both at home and on the go. The Solterra comes with a charger that works with any standard 120V outlet for level 1 charging. Quality engineering. It may be the first of its kind, but the Solterra is still a Subaru at heart. You can trust a Subaru vehicle for miles and miles of adventure. 96% of Subaru vehicles sold in the last 10 years are still on the road today, more than Honda or Toyota brands. Driver assist technologies. Every 2024 Solterra features standard EyeSight driver assist technologies, which act like an extra set of eyes on the road and, if need be, an extra foot on the brake when you drive. These advanced active safety systems monitor traffic movement, optimize cruise control, and warn you when you're swaying outside your lane. Panoramic View Monitor. Panoramic View Monitor is an available 360-degree surround view camera system that gives a clear picture of the objects around your Solterra, delivering enhanced awareness and safety when parking and reversing. All-around awareness technologies. The 2024 Solterra features a comprehensive suite of active safety features to help protect you on every drive. The blind spot monitor system warns you with a visual indicator on each side mirror if it senses a vehicle in your blind spots. Safe Exit Assist. Safe Exit Assist, a standard safety technology on Solterra, will beep and display a message if it detects approaching vehicles or moving objects before you open your door. Standard symmetrical all-wheel drive. As the first ever all-electric SUV to feature the capability of symmetrical all-wheel drive, the Solterra takes this legendary all-weather, all-terrain traction system to exciting new places. The balanced design of symmetrical all-wheel drive creates uniform stability and delivers an optimal distribution of power for maximum traction and confident handling. 8.3 inches of ground clearance and X mode. The 2024 Solterra has class-leading ground clearance and short overhangs for easy maneuverability over rough terrain, so you can go places traditional electric vehicles typically can't reach. Subaru Star Drive with Driving Mode Select. Subaru Star Drive offers an enhanced driving experience through Driving Mode Select, which lets you choose from normal mode for typical trips, eco mode to conserve battery power, and an extra responsive power mode. This advanced technology is engineered with the latest breakthroughs in electric vehicle technology to deliver substantial on-demand torque at all speeds for exciting everyday driving. Subaru Multimedia with available 12.3-inch touchscreen. The 2024 Solterra features an advanced multimedia system with standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration and a high-resolution 12.3-inch touchscreen that's available for even more intuitive control. On select models, you can even charge your smartphone wirelessly in the center console and enjoy your favorite apps and content. Subaru Solterra Connect with digital key and advanced park. With Solterra, connect your Solterra and your smartphone make a great team. You can unlock and start select Solterra models using just your smartphone. Remote start with climate control, accessible via the Solterra Connect app, lets you set your preferred temperature so your drive is perfect from start to finish. Intelligent Assistant. Intelligent Assistant is a voice-activated vehicle interface for safer, easier use of navigation media and other vehicle features and tasks. If you subscribe through Solterra Connect, Intelligent Assistant can also direct you to the nearest charging stations. Solterra Touring. The Solterra Touring electric SUV offers sophistication and comfort with stylish 20-inch alloy wheels, a panoramic fixed glass roof, and StarTex upholstery. Harman Kardon premium audio with 576 equivalent watts of power, high-tech lighting, and exclusive cabin accents. Interior. The Solterra Touring transports you in more ways than one. Just settling into the advanced comforts and style of its interior is like stepping into the future. With durable two-tone StarTex upholstery and high-tech illuminated trim, a Harman Kardon premium audio system with 576 equivalent watts of power fills the cabin with your perfect driving soundtrack. 20-inch alloy wheels. Eye-catching 20-inch alloy wheels feature machine finish accents and distinctly modern style. Panoramic fixed glass roof. A panoramic fixed-glass roof with power sunshade makes the airy interior feel even more spacious and bright. Modern, stylish cabin. The revolutionary engineering of the Solterra continues into its roomy, comfortable cabin packed with state-of-the-art features and materials like standard Subaru multimedia with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration and available StarTex-trimmed upholstery. Spacious, inviting interior with ample passenger space, generous rear legroom, and a flat floor, the 2024 Solterra gives you the airy, open feel of a much larger vehicle. For 2024, there's a newly available power front passenger seat for easy customized comfort. Available StarTex trimmed upholstery and high-quality, soft-touch materials throughout, along with an available Wi-Fi hotspot, create a connected cabin that's both modern and full of convenient, comfortable features. Adventure-ready cargo space. The 2024 Solterra gives you plenty of cargo space, more than the Hyundai Ioniq 5, so you can bring along all the gear you need for all your adventures. The low load height, a wide-opening rear gate, and an available power rear gate all make loading that gear even easier. If you're hauling larger cargo, raised roof rails are now standard on every 2024 Solterra, so you can easily take on extra gear, bikes, and more. An innovation in design. In every sense, the 2024 Solterra is made for exploring new frontiers. That same bold philosophy went into its cutting-edge exterior design that showcases contrasting protective cladding, striking LED headlights, and clean, modern lines. Advanced aerodynamics. The available split design roof spoiler, full underbody tray, and other aerodynamic features help manage airflow. These features enable quiet, efficient, and safe driving regardless of weather and road conditions. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.